Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Whenever love
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a DIY Valentine's Day pink flower truck, which was inspired by this book, London in Bloom. I hope you enjoy.
now every day, every night.
I got this book recently from Provincial Home Living, and it is such a pretty book. I was inspired so much by all the beautiful decor and images in this book. So I've decided, guys, to do a little series here. I'm going to do 3 DIY projects that were inspired by this book.
You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for
Inspired by this beautiful picture, I'm going to create my very own DIY pink flower truck.
crazy for love. Crazy for love.
So I put my thinking cap on and started to shop my own home, and remembered that at Christmas time I picked up this little red truck from TK Maxx.
I found the dream, living is beautiful with you and me.
Now, as much as I liked it, I always wished it was a different colour. So here was my perfect opportunity to bring my blush pink obsession to life.
Got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love.
I'm going to first of all start removing the Christmas tree as well as the little wreath at the front. Once I got the Christmas tree out, it was now time to cover up the areas that I didn't want to spray paint. So I just used some of this painter's tape.
I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try.
I then took the little truck outside, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of this beautiful spray paint by Dulux, which is called Pink Splendor.
Without you, I'm not without you. I hope I can show.
Now, if you're looking for a really pretty baby pink, I definitely recommend this one. After I sprayed this little truck, guys, I wanted to spray everything pink. It is such a pretty colour. It has a chalk-like finish and pretty much sticks to anything, guys, and I really love how this came.
That you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you.
Once it was completely dry, I was so excited, guys. How cute is it already? And I couldn't wait to decorate it. I started first of all by removing all the tape, and I love that I got absolutely no paint on the areas that I was trying to cover. Then I decided that I was going to add the flowers in the back of the truck. Now I'm going to start first of all by taking some floral foam and I'm going to cut it to size so it fits in the back. I then shopped my own home for flowers around my home. Now I have a few of them because I love to do DIYs with flowers. I had this garland from Kmart that I picked up last year. And what I'm going to do here, guys, is just cut off the smaller roses on this garland. Now you can see here that I'm showing you the garland and I'm cutting the rose buds instead of the actual roses. I've chosen to do this because the size of the truck, you don't want your flowers to be too big. This size roses will be perfect for not only standing upright, but perfect for putting them on the side so it looks like they're cascading over. I also had a couple of stems of these pretty pink cherry blossoms, and what I'm going to do is cut them around the same size as the roses, and these are going to stand upright. I continued to look through my flower stash and picked out ones that were quite small. I then started to add the roses as well as the pretty pink blossoms. I'm going to make the pink blossoms stand upright, guys. The reason I'm doing this is I want them to be taller than all the other flowers, so as if they're dancing above them. Now the key is, guys, to play around with the design. I took flowers off and then replaced them in other areas until I felt that I had the right look. You'll continue to do this until you get a nice thick fullness. Now all the flowers that I'm using are just dollar store flowers or ones from Kmart. They're all really inexpensive.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I continued to fill in each gap until I had the desired look that I wanted.
You as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Guys, I was feeling super creative this day. I was so happy with how my little truck was coming and I couldn't wait to share it with you.
I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other.
Now remember that little Christmas wreath that was on the front? I decided to repurpose this, guys. I took it outside off camera and gave it 2 coats of that beautiful blush pink. Now I also had some of these wooden decals that I recently got off eBay, and what I did is I took 2 of these outside and painted them pink as well.
Ever since I got a
Also from eBay are these mini white foam roses that I had in my stash, and I've decided that I'm going to hot glue them around the little Christmas wreath.
Like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we.
Now once the little decals were dry, I hot glued them to each side of the doors. And this would not be a Chelle DIY without a touch of Chanel. So I took this Chanel ribbon, tied it in a shoestring bow, and hot glued it to the top of the wreath. Now I also wanted to put something on the back of the truck, and I had this little piece of foam that has a Chanel logo on it as well from a previous project. And what I'm going to do is glue that to the back.
Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind.
And here is my adorable little mini Valentine's Day pink flower truck. I'm so happy with how this came. Guys, who knew that a little spray paint and some inexpensive flowers could give my little truck a whole new look? I definitely recommend, guys, shop your own home. You may already have one of these trucks and it might just be a different colour. Just give it a little makeover. This is my little Valentine's Day gift to you. Transform your little trucks that you have throughout your home and give them a whole blush pink look.
You came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chellesglamhome.
Not even if I tried, cause every day I'm with you.
I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decor. I love to share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, room tours, as well as clean and decorate with me's. If you feel that that just might be for you, I would love most of all, guys, if you would give me a big thumbs up because it really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chellesglamhome family. Leave me a comment down below which DIY you think I'm going to do next out of the London in Bloom book.
I tried, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, cause I need you by my side.
thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to tap that notification bell, guys, so you'll be aware when I upload my next video, which is another DIY project from that London in Bloom book. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.